At HEDONE USA LLC, we position ourselves as a comprehensive solution partner for the global surgical suture industry, delivering not only machinery, but complete production ecosystems, from concept to full-scale manufacturing. We specialize in the supply of advanced surgical suture production machines, high-quality raw materials, engineering consultancy, clean room design, and full factory setup for international projects. Our expertise covers both absorbable and non-absorbable suture manufacturing, ensuring flexibility for a wide range of medical applications. Our portfolio begins with extrusion systems capable of producing high-precision monofilament and multifilament sutures, including materials such as PGA, PGLA, PDO, nylon, polypropylene, and silk. These systems are engineered for consistent tensile strength, biocompatibility, and scalability, meeting strict global medical standards. For braided sutures, our advanced braiding machines provide precise control over tension, geometry, and structural integrity, delivering superior knot security and handling performance required in modern surgical procedures. We integrate complete downstream solutions, including winding, stiffening, and coating systems, enabling manufacturers to achieve optimal suture memory, flexibility, and surface characteristics. Our Racetrack winding technologies, both manual and fully automated, ensure perfect suture organization, enhancing both product quality and surgical usability. Needle attachment is another critical stage. HEDONE USA LLC provides a full range of crimping solutions, from micro-precision ophthalmic systems to high-speed automated needle attachment lines, ensuring reliable and consistent needle suture connections. To guarantee quality and compliance, we also supply advanced testing equipment, including tensile testers, needle penetration systems, and pull testers, allowing manufacturers to meet international standards with confidence. In the final stages, our packaging and overwrapping machines deliver sterile, high-speed, and GMP-compliant packaging solutions, supporting both blister and aluminum foil formats, along with full traceability and UDI integration. One of the most critical components of any suture production facility is sterilization, and this is where HEDONE USA LLC brings a distinct competitive advantage. Our custom-designed ethylene oxide gas sterilizers are engineered for industrial-scale operations, with chamber capacities ranging from 1 cubic meter up to large volume systems. Built with 316L stainless steel chambers and advanced PLC and SCADA control systems, these units operate within optimized temperature ranges of 37 to 55 degrees Celsius, ensuring effective sterilization while preserving material integrity. Our systems support multiple gas concentration configurations, including pure ethylene oxide and EO-CO2 mixtures, with precise control over humidity, pressure, and cycle parameters, fully aligned with ISO 11135 and international compliance requirements. A key differentiator in our process is the integration of vacuum drying technology, allowing absorbable sutures to be fully dried and stabilized within approximately 14 hours of continuous operation. This ensures consistent product quality, reduced residual moisture, and improved shelf life, critical factors for high-performance absorbable sutures. In addition, our drying cabinets and controlled environment systems maintain near zero humidity conditions, enabling precise conditioning and stabilization of sensitive suture materials before sterilization and packaging. Beyond machinery, HEDONE USA LLC delivers full project consultancy, including factory layout design, clean room engineering, process optimization, and turnkey installation support. We work closely with our partners to ensure efficient production flow, regulatory readiness, and long-term operational success. From raw material selection to sterile, market-ready final products, we provide a fully integrated approach designed to help manufacturers scale efficiently, reduce risk, and compete globally. HEDONE USA LLC is not just a supplier. We are your strategic partner in building the future of surgical suture manufacturing.